Before I explain my research paper, allow me to introduce myself. My name is Naila Rizqi, and now I am in the 6th grade, Faculty of Law, Jember University. My research paper is based on thought that children are the next generation of the state who have a central role of the life of the nation. And children problem is a complex problem which is not only about the children but also about the poverty and the human rights. And those issues is included in Millennium Development Goals 2015. Basically, university students, as the intellectual agent of change, have a big role in achieving MDGs. The effort of achieving MDGs can be done by variety of ways, and one of the alternative way is by mentoring children in a conflict with the law. Researcher reviews that mentoring children in a conflict with the law would give good impact in achieving MDGs. There are two questionnaire problems in my research paper. First, the mentoring children in a conflict with the law on the law number 23 year 2002 about the protection of the children, and law number 11 year 2012 about the children criminal court system. Second one, the role of the university student in achieving MDGs by mentoring children in a conflict with the law. The main purpose of my research paper analyzed the regulation of the role of children with a conflict in law, mentor as the law on the law number 23 year 2002 about the protection of children, and law number 11 year 2012 about the children and criminal court system, and the university student participation as the commitment of manifestation in achieving MDGs by mentoring children in a conflict with the law. My research paper used a legal research. It means that research on the implementation of the legal norm as the legal authoritative. Legal research emphasizes the object of the research is the norms because the legal works with the norm. The approach is used in this research is the legal principle approach, statute approach, conceptual approach, and analytical approach. After all the legal sources is collected that analyzes qualitatively through the method and approach of this research, the analysis is conducted in this research compared between the construction of legal norms with the implementation of the norm itself. The result of this research paper consists of two terms in the children protection law enforcement and MDGs achievement by mentoring children in conflict with the law. First, mentoring children in conflict with the law accord with the regulation of children protection, which consists of law number 23 year 2002 about the protection of children and law number 11 year 2012 about the children criminal court system. Second of all, the role of the university student as the mentor of children in a conflict with the law can be made as a model of MDGs achievement. This mentoring impacts on developing and to children in conflict with the law who come from low education and poverty background. The recommendation proposed in this research paper consists of two things. First, optimizing regulation and law enforcement on protection of children by opening access for the student university to be a mentor children in a conflict with law. Second, public participation, especially student university participation in MDGs achievement, can be done through fair law intervention in mentoring children in conflict with the law, in optimizing the function of law as a tool of social reformation and restoration. video tells us about what we can do as the youth student university for the children in a conflict with the law, or we can say the juvenile. As the marginal community, they try to prove and they try to get acceptance, the society acceptance, by creating a flower, by creating a beautiful flower. And the flower show us that even they are in prison, they still have a dream, they still have a hope, and they still make something, and they still can make something beautiful. And what we can do for them, what we can do for them is by mentoring the children in conflict with the law, or we can say juvenile, to make their dream come true.